Hi guys, today we are going to learn about Google Trend. Why do we need Google Trend and why Google Trend is so trending? Let's learn Google about Google Trend with some pointers I want to show you. That is what Google Trend exactly does. So if you are a brand manager and you want to analyze some brand market research and you want to understand certain topics, what is trending right now, you can go on Google Trend and search it. Let's say you are running a Google search ad and you want to understand which all keywords are there which is trending in Google Trend. You can find out from Google Trend, you can research keyword, you can also identify seasonal trends. You can compare the search with one search with other search. Also you can find out the interesting topic. So let's begin. I'll just show you how Google Trend dashboard looks. Now we came on the Google. Here I have just typed Google Trend. I am just clicking on the Google Trend. Now I reach on the Google Trend dashboard. Here you can see three options, that is Home, Explore and Trending Now. When I click on the Trending Now topic, I will get to know what all things are trending on Google search right now with the search volume. When the search has started like 18 hours ago, 23 hours ago, and the breakdown of that search trend. Okay, you can select the topic also. Here different categories are there. Whichever category you are interested, you can go in that category and see the search terms. Like for example, if I want to understand what is trending in the entertainment category, I'll just click on the entertainment category. I can see here Roadies is trending. It has 2k plus search volume. It's trending from past 7 hours. There are a lot of different topics which is trending like Shreya Ghoshal, Prajakta Kohli, and different trends. You can go in that and just see the breakdown of it. Okay, what all things is being there in the real time news, you will get to know. So all the detail you will get it when you clicked on it. Okay, now let's go and check out in home. There is a section, you can click on the home and you can search the category you want to explore. Let's say I want to explore mm Shah Rukh Khan. I'll take it as an Indian character actor, Shah Rukh Khan. I will see from past day what is my search trend going on related to Shah Rukh Khan. Let's say I will see, I want to see how much the trend is going down and up from past 30 days. I can see the past 5 years data for the search term Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, here I can go and select different category like in arts and entertainment, how this keyword has been trending. Okay, I can go here. We have an option here, that is web search, image search, news search and Google shopping. On YouTube, what is this topic trending like? For example, YouTube search page, it is showing me the trend like this. On this day, the search was high and then it went back down. Here I will understand from which place the search is happening, like Andaman, Assam, Delhi. So I can go and download this data also, which can be useful for me. Here I will see ki related to Shah Rukh Khan, which all other topic or categories or films is being searched. Like this is all films like Donkey, Jawan. People might be searching this all film related to Shah Rukh Khan. That is why it is showing here. You can see search queries. Okay, if I'll go, I'll get more bifurcation of that film. I'm going back. Here I am going down. I am getting more query related to Shah Rukh Khan. So, for example, if I want to download this data, I can download this data. and I can use this keyword wherever I want to use it. If I want to compare one actor with other actor, I can also do that. So for example, I am comparing Salman Khan with Shah Rukh Khan. So I have selected one more actor here. I can see the comparison of both. Here I will get the proper chart of the search category. Here I can see that average Salman Khan searches are high on this day. If I want to see, I want to compare it from past 30 days, I can go and I can select here. I'll get a past 30 days trend, which I will get it. Here I will go down and I can see from which all places both the in Sikkim. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan searches high in Sikkim compared to Salman Khan. Also in Kerala, Shah Rukh Khan searches high compared to Salman Khan. In same Andhra Pradesh, I can see the searches is high for Shah Rukh Khan. So I can download this data. I can use it wherever I want it. You can do comparison of any topic. Here, when I'm going down, I am getting a query related to all the movies. People are searching related to Salman Khan marriage. So all these things we will get it here. It's just an actor related search. You can do any kind of search you want on this. Like for example, I'm going on image search. I will get the data here, but the data is not showing. Okay. I am going in the web search. Then I can go in the news search. I will get the detail in news. This okay, this duration the searches are high. So all this data we will get it. Okay, we can use this. The best part is you can do comparison here with whichever category. Now I want to see what is trending in, let's say, uh, Canada. Okay, Bangladesh will take it. What is trending in Bangladesh? All the details will be shown here, like what all automobiles may people are searching, or let's say business and finance people are searching. We'll get all the details here. So this is a real-time trend, that is why trending now. I hope you understood the basic of how this Google search terms is used. Sorry, so Google's terms is being used. The best part is you can download the data, you can use it for your any R&D research. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel for more digital video. We will be uploading more digital videos related to trending topics. Thank you so much.